this as a video, I guess, and discussion of everything. I'm about to call him right now. Join Discord. What'd you call in my server? Alright. Alright. Waiting for my guy to join. Alright. I'm just gonna apply some stuff on the chart real quick. Okay, I'm gonna apply the. Let me see. I should have it screenshotted. Alright. I don't like how we cross. Not a big fan of all those, but EMA. Oh, that's great. I thought it was fucking 3 EMAs. I was like, bad. 3 moving. Alright, let's see if this works. You kidding me? I can't even change this? Oh my gosh. Moving out of it.
Yo, bro.
Alright, bad, bro. Damn, I wanted to put some stuff on my short. Let me finish texting some of, dude.
Yeah.
Used to.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, now gotta get forward. Okay. So let me put on my beautiful face. I just want to see my. Oh, does my face nice now? Alright. So I'm gonna use you as a indicator. I'm gonna use you as a different point of view. So first off, how did I see price and how did I saw that? How did I see that coming? What year is this? 2K24. Alright, I'm gonna use this chart. Alright. So, it's gonna be a little hard to explain why I saw that 40-point rally gonna happen already. I saw that in past data. I had to switch up the overall data from 2019. But so, overall move. Let's look at the left price action. What happened? You basically just said, hey, we extended all-time highs. We're having a drop. Blah blah blah. Right. Well, I like to look at price action sheet, overall movement. So we had something like you see like a big old sweep of liquidity and all that. It's not much to see, not much to see. See, this doesn't give us much information, so that's why we gotta go. My mentor says there's nothing new under the sun. If you don't understand that, the Bible predicts all that and all that.
Yeah.
But I believe so. We're right here. We make all-time
highs as well.
Yeah, all-time highs right here, and then we break down accepting these prices. But look at this price action. It looks very similar to what we just saw.
Yeah. Right.
Can I just? I don't know if it will let me. Alright, it did. Okay, so we have the exact same layout now. Alright. I like to zoom out to this area. Alright, this is where I kind of like to see watch price at. So, my chart's a little messy, but we see that we have this, like we see the bouncing, let me go to the regular.
Yeah.
So we see that. So we know there's nothing new under the sun. Fuck me. This is one thing that I hate about it. Nothing new under the sun, and we understand what type of cycle we're in. We're in a Jubia cycle and all that, blah blah blah. But overall, this is the price action. This is the cycle we're in. If you have seen my other videos, you could tell. Okay.
Nah.
All right.
Only this one from yesterday.
So, this is a little harder to mark out, but we're right here. We had this big old green move. This green move is this indication, and we had the sell off. And then we had a rally up, extended highs, and then boom, sell off. Right. Well, this is all yellow. I mean, this is our red. We broke it. All right. So we had the green, blah blah blah. Now we have these extended moves. These two moves. And now we had the extended up, and now we come back down and chop in this range. The range that we formed. Oh, this is a weekly chart, but we formed this range, and now we're looking into how can we. This over thing was not exactly the same amount of days, so some days are a little more extended and all that. But
yeah.
So we knew a correlation. Dates have a correlation, aka astrological longitude. So the planets. This was 54 days. Let's see how long this was. Wait, what was that? Yeah. See, price didn't.
54.
Oh shit.
Yeah. It's kind of insane.
Yeah, it's kind of insane. But price over here was a little more volatile. Price was a little bit different. We ran the highs, but we did not extend as we did this day. And that was fucking me over because I went short on this day, and if you can't tell, if you didn't know, I don't think they would let me do this, but so the loonie cycle. This is very to the loonie cycle. If you take the loonie cycle, oh my god, no. Hold on, it's probably on this one.
Cooked.
Is it this one? Yeah. Hopefully it's this one. Yeah. So this is the loonie cycle.
Yeah.
Alright. You better open your eyes to this, baby. So the loonie cycle, usually when we have days like this, the 4 days are like a full rotation. We get so this is exactly when price actually did it, 11:27. This is during FOMC. So we see that price opens, we gap up, blah blah blah, but we can what's it called? Validate, like price. I don't know how to describe it, but like you can tell the market accepts that price, and we don't really go under it. Yeah, it respects it. Anyway, so these 25. So we have the moon goes through 7 phases and all that, and maybe like 50%. These are the 50%. So these are 50%. Usually, either it looks like profit taking. I've been new to the GAN industry, but these look like profit taking in areas, and then once we hit another full cycle we considered price, but and then profit taking, and then something happened here. Profit taking, and then we sold down, breaking. Yeah, but something to look at. Something very to look at, and that's what I did on this chart on the SPY.
Where do I learn this shit? The moon cycles and all that.
So GAN, basically, going back to the GAN's information from the back in the day.
That shit is hard to understand. Like
very hard.
I went to the channel and it's pretty hard to understand. Like yeah.
What? So like the Bible says stuff and all that, right? But you're not able to understand what it actually is saying. Well, that's
exactly.
Yeah. There's a big old meaning. That's why. And just like GAN did the same thing. So we know we've experienced this already, and now we're experiencing this down move. Can we get the? I want to see if we can get a 45%. So 45%. Oh my god, that was perfect. Hold on. 45% is a very important level by GAN.
Okay.
Oh shit, my shit's glitching out because I have too many charts open. Okay, hopefully.
Shit's interesting, man.
Yeah. Okay, we should be back. Alright, so let's take this 45% angle and see what it does. Oh, what the fuck? Why is it 90? Alright. Oh, okay. This one doesn't support the 20. Huh. We broke the 25% line on 45% line. So we could be right here. But, okay. I doubt we're right here, though. I doubt we're in this area. So, we have 45, 66, and 22, I would say. Something like that. So those are his areas. See how they kind of fit together? Those are very important areas. So 66, when it holds, and when it breaks, it's no longer area to look at. But now we're in that 22 area.
66, 45,
and 22.
66, 45, and
22. 22.5, I believe. So we.
Let me right now.
Yeah. Okay, the 45% has not broken actually. It just the way you look. It's just the way you display it. Blah blah blah.
So
we still have. But okay. This is where I need
so
your.
we could see like a big upside move.
You think so?
Or
so you use this.
I don't know, because last time it broke it, right? And we saw a big big upwards move in 2019 after breaking the 45.
Is that pitch fan? No, Gans fan. Okay. Let's see if this can come out accurate. So you use the second bottom move, so the bottom to the bottom. That's how you use the Gans fan, the bottom to the bottom. And see how that kind of reacts? We in the upper level, and yeah.
Bottom to which bottom?
So basically, when you use when you use Gans fan, it's the bottom. It's the bottom to the second bottom. So we had this big old up run. What came? Boom.
Okay.
Yeah. It just. Okay, so this is where I need your help. Help me figure out where we're at in price. So we have a very wide range. Price is not exactly the same. Blah blah blah. So this is where we have to do our analysis and figure out where we're at during price. So you wanna let me just do color coding. So we have this is the break of the move, the yellow. What broke?
Yeah.
Oh my god. This is one thing I don't like is price not being exactly the same analysis. See, this is changes the scenario because we're in an up channel. See how this one kind of went flat?
Yeah.
Yes. So that's one correlation difference. But overall we're in an uptrend. We take these, we're expecting price to come down to the 504 area, or something like that in this area. We went higher. This is all pullback. This is all pull. Is that all pullback? Yeah, this is all pullback. So this is all yellow. Is this all yellow? See, this is the hard part. Being able to figure out where you're at and doing price. So you see the.
Yeah, everything is hard for me, man. It's all pretty, very, very hard.
But so, understand this. We figure out we understand what type of cycle we're in. Gann says if you know the starting point, you know the future, and this is how we're predicting the future from the starting point. And now we're trying to figure out what type of cycle we're in. Where is price at? Blah blah blah. It's kind of hard because we have this big old up move before the actual down move. So we have this overall up move. Like, I feel like it's a little hard because I have all this over here. Alright. Let's get into price now. Bloop, bloop. Alright. Bloop. I don't like this sideways action. Did we get what is this? We don't really get that. You see what I mean? We don't really get that price action.
Yeah.
This is our up move. So what happened before up move? We had a. So I want to consider this as our orange box area. Do you kind of see that? Do you think that is our orange box area?
Yeah.
That's what I mean. It's really hard to figure out where you're at.
I don't know.
I have to look at this like every day to figure out like, hey, am I right? What broke price? What broke price?
It's not pretty clear.
Yeah, I know, right? It's not clear at all. That's what kills me. Alright, we have boom. See, bro, it's so not clear. It confuses you, but price isn't always going to be the exact. It's not going to display like we think it is going to display. Okay, this is actually a lot better to look at.
Yeah.
Don't you think? Okay, we had that pullback. What was the yellow boxes?
Oh.
Okay, so we had one. Let me put is there a way that I can? Okay, we gotta do this now. We gotta use our brains on this.
Oh shit, that's smart.
So price is very bought. Alright. We get the bubba. This is our first break.
Yeah, the orange box is not pretty a pullback on the right chart.
Yeah. So you think this is our orange box?
I think so.
I think so too, actually. Price breaks at. Trades in there. So we had this change. We had the yellow is right here. Yeah, I think you're right. So can we figure out what price is doing? We had this already, I believe. We already had this. We made the top and fell down. We didn't make a second top. But I believe we're right here. Right here.
Yeah. I think so.
You think so? It kind of looks. We had this.
On the left chart we did sweep the first high, and on the right chart we didn't.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Okay, let's look at candles. Because candles can give us a better understanding what price is doing. But you see why I kind of moved this up a little?
Yeah, I understand. But I don't know, it doesn't really.
Because like, look.
Maybe,
this,
I don't know.
Yeah, I know. This one does, it goes up and down. This one goes up and then down. If you look, see the candle opens right here, so we go up and down,
Sideways up.
Yeah. That's why I consider this our first move. But we don't get any gaps like we did right here. 1, 2. Wait, yeah, we did 3. 1, 2, 3. And this is actually yeah.
The gaps change like over time, right?
Say what?
Or I don't know. Look. Gaps change over time, or is it just
1, 2, 3. This right here. 1, 2, 3. All right. So we're in the middle of the gap. Price touched it. I believe price is right here, but is price right here? Could price be right here? Could this be the price we're looking at?
Will the 45-degree thing on the right chart?
Move it?
No, on your right chart.
Oh, you want me to put it?
Yeah.
All right.
Maybe, I don't know.
Sometimes it just depending on where price is. Like, see how we zoom out and price it moves. Yeah, that's what the issue of it. But it looks like we're pretty get this fly out of here. And let me put it on this one. Oh, I was like, ooh, that don't look too good. And let me see what price is this? Yeah, so 66 and 45. So let's do the 66%. So we are right here. Yeah. This is actually making a lot more sense now. We're right here. So the thing right here is, this is where I get confused. So we're getting the same bias where we're at and all that. But the question is, did we get the did we experience this chop already? Because look, we had the boom, look, boom. Could this chop be on the downward?
I don't think that's chop.
Huh?
I don't think that's chop on the right side.
Yeah, I know.
Like, we haven't experienced it yet, I think.
Alright, let's figure out. We had this up move. Price went sideways.
That could mean we'll get chopped the next, what's it called? The rest of the week, right?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Huh. We had this extend down. Yeah. It's really difficult to understand where we're at in price because we're in this area. Over our area. This is our second gap. This is our move down. So, see, based off where price is, are we right here? Like, oh fuck. Because if you take,
yeah, I think so.
So if you take this move and take it to here. Do you know any? You know the golden ratio?
Yeah, 65.
1.64.
Oh yeah, 1.61.
Yeah. So
I don't know.
There's a way to, like, if you take so this is 75% of the move. The 75% of the move is to go up, and the 25% is to go down. So using math, you're able to predict the exact down, like the day it goes down. The reason I thought we were gonna sell off is because June 1st. This is June 1st. June 1st. This is June 2nd. This should be June 2nd. But we didn't get the movement like we actually wanted to. That's why I'm believing that. Oh my god, we could be right here.
Maybe tomorrow.
No, maybe we're right here. We have, because look. So we have this bigger area pullback. This is let me put it this as Wyckoff. So Wyckoff happened like in this area, like we supported this area, and then we go right here. See how that's why I was very bearish today, because we had this we had the candle wick in there, and we had the candle wick right there. The reason I'm using this area is because we had the down movement, so the price ended right here. Price ended and had a gap up. Price open, this was the ending of the day. But I do believe, I'm now starting to believe, we had the down move, price extends higher. Price extends higher. Okay. We had the down move, price goes up, we have a reverser, we value this area, value this area. We value this area, value that area. Do we break? So we should reject this, come down to this area, and then possibly get a bull run up. Price is very you know what I mean? Price is looking very similar.
But not too similar, you know?
Yeah. Like, price would never be too similar. Price would never give you the same volatility and all that, because different time, different market, different price.
It's a riddle.
Yeah. It's very much like a riddle. And vibrations in the market, you can able to consider this all a vibration. The overall vibration of this was to sell. But yeah, man, Yan was able to. Whew.
I don't know. I'm more curious how you did the 40 points today. Like, how you set 40 points up.
So we had the. I looked at NQ price action from 2019. Like, I searched up like historical data of 2019. And because you're not able to get the data, if you're not able to get the 2019's price action on NQ. If you go to NQ, any market, like anything out there, the farthest you can get. Let me see. Let me put this on monthly. The farthest you can get is you can't. Hold up.
Yeah, but I'm monthly.
Go on monthly.
No, you can't really do a lot with monthly or weekly.
Yeah. That's the only problem. That's the only price action we can really get is the higher time frames, but we don't really need higher time frames.
Exactly.
Hold on, let me go to a different chart. So you don't. Okay. This is gonna look good. So, this is NQ. 2019 price action. We're right here. Oh my gosh. Like, this whole thing kind of makes a fucking channel. This is one trend line, and then you take the second, and if price breaks both of these, then it's completely bearish. So then you would use this one. Price broke that, so this was the second low, and you use that. So, and since this is the second.
What's that angle?
Me, I don't know. I'm just hitting shift, and then.
Wait, let me try.
Yeah.
Oh, it's up.
Yeah. So usually you just want to take the first low, and then the second low. And if price breaks that, then it's bearish. But price extends and all that, you know. So that's why you use trend lines. But this right here, kind of making a triangle. You see that kind of like a triangle symmetric going on?
Yeah.
Alright. So, I'm going to take a picture of this and post it in my, my Discord so we can have a, you don't have to keep going back to different charts and all that. We're going to put in a ramble. And okay, now we can do some analysis. So where are we at? We're exactly... So we're right here. Well, this is based off time, like date. We don't actually know if we're right here. But June 1st. Let's see if we go to June 3rd. June 3rd, yeah, we had this down movement, go up. Okay. We don't want to see that. So we support the... Okay, we value the area of... Fuck, bro. I don't want to keep going to different charts, but... Yeah, I know, right? I don't know what I just did right there. Alright. Can we see a... Oh, this is fucking the same... This is spot. I was like, this don't look like the same chart. Oh my gosh. I didn't even see this. We hit this demand. And that's why we're having a little rally right now. I didn't wish I saw that on this... On the daily. Alright. So, we hit this rally. Wait. Fuck. Price. Okay. We gotta mark things out now because we're on a new chart so we can get a better visual of what we've seen at. We had the, not the second move, 1, 2. So price right here. And then price right here is the supply. Did we break? We broke supply right here. Wait a minute. Did NQ not? Look at that. That's weird. NQ didn't break it in 2019.
Did we? No.
Isn't that weird? Hold on. Can I?
Yeah, that's weird.
Man, I hate this stuff. See, I hate this stuff, bro. Oh. Okay, let's just do that. Yeah, so this is really weird. Since we didn't break this, oh my gosh. Like, now I have to reset all my charts, bro. So we... It's a little hard to use price now because... Understand... Take this low. Price did do the division right here. And demand. Nope. This is okay. I'm gonna start circling thing. I don't want to make it messy because it's hard to see when things get messy. So can we use charting or draw? Motherfucker. Chart. I mean, give me a damn fucking box. Where's the box? I hate finding tools on here, bro.
Just favorite it and then use the tool thing.
And then we're supposed to reject this right here. So what did price do from here? So price went down, boom. Yeah, we're supposed to reject this price. And did we get the... And then we start chopping. So reject. But this is a daily chart. And that's what we don't like to see. So it does look like we're gonna start... It looks like... So based off what we just saw... We're gonna get a down. Next day open right here. down, up, up, no, and down. See? Don't really look like it was gonna do the same fucking... I feel like it's a lot more compact right here. Am I like...
Yeah.
Okay, that's probably better. Alright, so this is the daily chart. Price is kind of just supposed to chop around in this area, like...
Yeah, which we saw earlier.
Yeah, you're right. What we saw earlier. Let's go to... Can we go to a 2 hour? Let's see if we can go to 2 hour. I don't think we can. And that's what the problem was. Yep, see? So we get cut off at a certain amount, like, day, price. Like, we get cut off at... right here.
Why
that's
do you
what...
use 2019?
Huh?
And not, like, 2020, for instance.
You said what?
Why do you use 2019 instead of, like, 2020 or 2021?
So, like he said, like Gan said, if you get the correct starting date right, you get the future date. You know the future. And to understand what type of cycle we're in, look, that's what I just showed you. Hold on, let me close it. Oh, it is.
Oh, that was what you showed. Okay.
Fuck! Did it close out all everything? Damn. All right.
Oh.
Yeah, I hate this thing, bro. I have to do this. I'm just gonna start exiting things out a little bit. So, what should I say? Alright, that's what I showed you. Well, this is why we use this date. Price repeats itself. We go through the same old cycle every 10, 5 years, I don't really know. But we repeat ourselves. This ain't the first time we get... Look. Red. We get this red. What does this look like? What does this look like? Tell me what does it look like. Green, highs, red. Green, high, red. We're gonna break price.
That low, yeah.
Yeah, you see how the cycle kind of repeats itself? Maybe it's not the same exact years and all that, but cycles within a wheel, all that. So we understand, hey, price repeats itself, So we figure out what was the last cycle. Well, you can look at this like Bitcoin kind of. We're doing the same analysis basically for Bitcoin. So we have this Okay. We have this move within the move within the move. Price did. And this is the choppiness. So we have this down movement, and this is the choppiness. Break liquidity. Break liquidity, fall, boom. Once we break this, get the chop. What? Almost made. Did this make new time highs? This did make all time highs. So we got this chop a little bit before the move happened, but then we extend higher. We're in this right here.
Retrace.
So we
saw the retracement.
So we can expect, I don't know. It's a little hard to figure out what price is going to do from here, but we understand the overall movements. So let's look at the weekly. Weekly, yeah. All this basically is October. Okay, so this week, we're supposed to experience the move. This happened in 1 week. If price is, exactly the same, blah, 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 and dates and all that, this should happen in the next week. This move down. Where is price at? See, I'm just going to go to I'm going to go to our... Because I can't look at price when we have all this nonsense already on it. This is, and then we go to SPY. Well, 2. This actually looks a lot better. This is the orange box, and this I'm pretty sure this is the yellow box. We broke the orange box, and now we're heading to this yellow box. Weekly. Let's go to the weekly. I'm looking like price is going into this supply area. We wick down, so if we go to the daily, we wick down, broke that. So if knowing information, so if if buyers starting to buy at this, buyers liquidity. Elliott wave theory for 1 day. You gotta explain more on that OV. I don't know what you mean. So if buyers got taken out right here, what was the last up move before the down move? Well, we gotta redefine it. Fuck. So we get the up, down. So we expands already this. This is a down move. So if you go to the 2 hour move price, took out liquidity right here. Market structure shift. So we're also charting this now. We're kind of doing analysis ourselves on this. The down move, so this is the overall up move right here. Price comes into this area, touches it. So now we're using this area. Whoa, shit! If you look at that, price has it. Leaving up, liquidity. Market structure shift right there. Hits demand. We hit demand right here. Our last, what was the last down move before the up move in this candle wick? Where this happened? Supply hits that. Clear supply. So what was the last supply that in this? I'm guessing right here. Here's the big old supply. Can't barely go into it, but we're leaving this. 30 minute. So we had this overall up move. Has price came back into it? No. So we're in this overall supply zone. So we have this one pullback. Fuck, man. It's kind of hard to figure out what type of pullback we're in because we don't know what box we're in right now. So we hit we hit supply. Now we're hitting supply again, so let's go to a 15 minute. So we could either see supply go right here, or right here. Did we break that? We did break that. So there's something in here. Okay. Oh dang! Let's use the trend lines again. The trend line.
Yeah, it worked.
Okay, 45 has not got broken, so let's use the 66. See how that? Okay, you have to use it on the, like out scale where you're at. So we can't really zoom in unless it will fluctuate with price. But see how that trend line worked? So basically, I'm pretty sure when price comes into the trend line, like right here, like when we hit the trend line, we're supposed to reject. So reject down to the 45 area.
Maybe is that supply? Okay.
Yeah. So and now we have the so he used this as a like support and resistance. So if price rejects right here, we're gonna go to this box and start rejecting this box. So whenever we hit the top of this, probably we're gonna break down and boom, break down. All right. So yeah. He was able to. Yeah. So hold on. Let's use his GAN fan real quick and see what we can see with that. Can we see anything with that GAN fan? Take this low. I don't know. The reason I picked this low out of all because this was actually a down move before going higher. Unless, yeah, I don't see a reason to use this. If you did, so if you did use this run, oh, that might have been actually a lot better. That might have actually been the move to mark out this down move right here to this right here. Huh. But you kind of see what I mean? It rejects this area. Boom. But okay, let's get back to the track. Back to track. Okay, so I'm gonna start marking these out, and then price went up like this. Me just hitting shift again, you know, the shift thing. Let's do this one here. Oh, price about to become bearish. Like, if we break this, we become bearish and continue this zone. So that's looking really good for us. And then let's focus on actually getting the dang move going. Figure out where we're at during the cycle. Where we're at during the cycle. Because Gan said, if you get the right starting price right, you know the future. I don't like that, bro. It's such a hard thing to look at. Because, like, okay, 1, 2, 3. You could consider that 4, maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Possibly 5.
Small retracement.
1. Okay, 3. 4. Consider that maybe. 1, 2, 3. Do we consider this? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're not going to consider this because it didn't actually come down to 50%. The reason we're not going to consider this is because it didn't come down to the 50%. Alright?
Doesn't look really similar.
It doesn't?
I don't think so. You can just make a screenshot and paste it in your other chart.
Oh my gosh, you're right. You're right. You think that might be better? You think we can display? You can. Yeah. You're right. You're right. Good thinking.
Control C, and then yeah. Oh, you're not up. But there's a future for this.
Hold up, bro. You see what I'm trying to do?
Mm-hmm.
We're almost there. Hold up, hold up, hold up.
I can see it. Down. Up.
So, like I said, the moves are more volatile.
No, I can see it. So we can expect downside.
Yes, yes, yes. Hold up. Oh! Alright, that's perfect. That's perfect. That's probably the best we can get. You think so? Oh my... Dude, look at the correlation. Look at the correlation. Pretty damn accurate.
Fucking accurate, yeah. I think there's a future for this one. Let me see. Correlating pairs. Trading view.
Oh my gosh.
Relation. Okay, no. There's pairs correlate, no. Okay. So you got two charts
To merge, possibly? Is the word?
Clicking on the select layout. Is it? No.
Wait.
Wait. Overlaid, no. Oh, yeah, I think it's this one. Let me get the name. Shit. No, this looks. Go check this out. Look at my screen.
Alright. Watch stream? Alright. It's loading, it's loading. It's loading. It's loading still. I'm gonna have to... Wait, maybe on stream and stream it again?
Your Wi-Fi.
It happens, it happens. Okay. See, watch stream. It's loading, it's loading. Hold up. I might have to end call and join back up. Yeah, let me do that real quick.
Wait, let me do this one.
Huh.
Window.
Okay, yeah.
Here. Here you can see, yes, one chart, and then
How do you add it?
compare symbol.
Compare...
on the plus, but here.
Okay. Plus? Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let me, so delete, I'm gonna delete, should we delete it? No, just move it back.
Oh yeah, it works here.
Alright, compare.
Oh shit.
With...
Candles. Yeah, here. Wait, you can't go, what's it called? Into history, I don't know. The English word.
Alright, new plane. You want to add a new plane? Pretty sure.
New plane.
No, it's not how it's not letting you go back to like old price action, like, you know what I mean?
Maybe price line.
Oh fuck. That would have been good if you were on the right track.
Do you have trading view here?
No, I don't.
Trading view here.
Do you?
No. too broke for that.
Man, we were close. I'm gonna switch it up. How to compare old data with new data? Stocks? Yeah.
No.
Oh, bar replay, but do you have bar replay?
Oh, my premium ran out.
You don't?
No.
Oh, me either.
Ran out my premium.
Write a script. What does that script say? Old period. Possibly put that into Pine script. Put that in Pine script. Put that in the trading view. You might just have to implement the. Yeah. Okay. Old data period equal new period. Okay. Add to chart possibly. Oh man, isn't this great? It just gave us an EMA. Add a interactive stock comparison with 3D. Open.
Where?
Hold on, no, I'm reading something. Oh, motherfucker!
Oh.
Okay. Okay, right here. Man.
You're not screen. You're not sharing screen.
I'm not. Oh. Okay.
Nice comparing. There, comparison. Maybe this one.
Oh my. Because if we can get that tool, bro, it's kind of like we know what's gonna happen in the future, really.
At the start of a new data script, that's new return. Let's this value how to compare also. Ooh, historical pattern matcher.
Yeah. That looks really nice. That map. That's cool. Is there a way to scroll down a little bit? No, yeah. Details, blah blah blah. Keep going. Does it make us? Do we have to? Do we have to like buy?
I think this one.
Is it?
No, it's like a pattern, head and shoulders type shit.
Oh really? Dang. Okay, I'm just gonna switch up Pinterest for you and show you what some cycles. All right, look at my chart. Yeah. So, this is what's going on with current date by WD Gann. We have the commodity boom. If you search up, I don't know how to say that word. Do you? Authoritarian.
What?
Okay. Enforcing strict obedience to authority, especially that of the government, at the expense of personal freedom. That's what's currently going on. We have a crash. This one, like I said, this won't be the first crash, blah blah blah. But we have a crash in 2028, blah blah blah. by then we should have another run up to 2023 and blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, I saw somewhere that GAN predicted a war in 2032, I believe, or 2030, somewhere there.
Okay, now we go into more some stuff. 8.6 is a very important stuff. 18, so it'd be 18, 19 to 19. So let me get out of this. I'm pretty sure you had this one. Yep, 2018. Yep, 20. So. You know, history repeats itself. Oh, so we're in the 6th wave. You know what that means?
No.
Hold on, let me. Is it on my notebook? Yeah. Hold on, I'm looking at my. It's right here.
Are you funded with Topset?
Am I? I mean, yes, but have not got a payout now.
Oh, okay.
Right here. No. Okay, this is something very important to know. These waves, these cycle names. Pork cycle, huh?
Oh, you sent me that.
Yeah.
Cycle.
So, hold on. Man, I don't need all this. I just need to show you the wave we're in. So, this is really important right here. So we're in biohealth. This is what I'm trying to show you. We're in biohealth, biotechnology. And what is biohealth? Tesla's Neuralink, fake food, stuff like that. So we're going through phases like this: prosperity, recession, depression, improvement. Currently, I believe we're going through prosperity. And then we have that crash, and then we have depression, and then we have improvement in 2030. We have improvement, and then we, return of the cycle. Well, let's. Huh. And then this is one of the things. This is one of Gann's things. The rotation of everything. 2030. Start on. Wait. What the heck? So we're supposed to have inflation around 2030. I don't know what that means really. So winter. So we're headed to. We're let me look at the Hebrew calendar. Up to date. 360 rotation. Okay. Oh, well, that doesn't help. I don't know where we. I don't know where the fuck we're at. Give me a. I asked for a fucking rotation. Like, give me the rotation. We're headed to. I'm pretty sure. I'm just trying to figure out where we're at during the cycle. No. Alright, let's go back to this page. Okay. Okay, where are we at? We're in June. So this it's AV. Where was that rotation? Did you remember that rotation map we had for a second? We're in the. Is this autumn? Do you consider this autumn?
What?
Where we're in right now? Are we in the autumn stage?
Like, outside?
Yeah, like the weather, like. No, we're in summer.
Yeah, we're in summer. June.
Wait, this is December.
Early summer.
So autumn's like right here. Okay, so like around July, maybe. We're in July, aren't we? No, in June. Yeah, so like, oh my god, wait. July, August? So like July and August area, September possibly, when we start seeing this big old sell-off like we expect. I actually said in my Discord, I added up the date yesterday. I'm pretty sure I added up the dates. And it said either November 27th or September 8th. So if you go back to the chart. Oh, wrong chart. September. Dang, we're right over here. Suppress? Yeah. Alright. Let's stop going around the boats and all that and figure out what type of cycle, where we're at. So I just showed you a couple things. So this is what, so in the Bible and all that, it says wheels within a wheel. Do you know what that means?
Yeah. Cycle within cycle.
Yeah. Yeah. Cycle within cycles. We have so each cycle is 396 years, whatever. And within that cycle we have 51 cycle, like 51 year cycle. And within the 51 year cycle we have the 2.7 years.
Yeah.
6 waves of 51. Wait, how many? So 51 times. Hold on, calculator. Oh my god. 51 times 6. 306. You do realize what we were just in, right? We're like at the end of this. Yeah. We're at the very end. Like, bro, we might have to see the biggest crash we have ever seen in history happen soon. That's what I'm trying to get at. Oh, that's crazy.
You're scaring me.
I mean, I'm not scaring you. The fucking forecast of the Bible is scaring you. This is all from the Bible, you know that?
You gotta load up my shorts, man.
What does it say? 2000?
Yeah.
So hold on. Can we use this data real quick? So.
What do you think of the Gantt square of 9?
Very important.
Here, cause I have this application.
Huh?
And let me send you a picture. I'll send it in the G call chat.
Yeah, let me look at it. You use it. So do you use it?
I don't really know how to use it. I know the.
Oh, okay.
Like
so
every square is resistance.
Yeah. So like it's very hard to say.
Even numbers are resistance.
Yes. Something like that.
Right?
Yeah. Like I can't see that really good, but say like you start at the 9, and you go to the number 24, like next to 24. It should be a reversal point. Some points are reversal points, and some is like extending and all that. But like I said, we're in autumn, so the rotation. So like the rotation of it. So like see how August is up there, and then you see the rotation go all the way around 360.
Yeah.
Yeah. So also you have the fucking lunar cycles. That's perfect, man.
Yeah, you should download this app. It's pretty nice.
June 2nd, see? June 2nd's on June 2nd and June 6th.
But you want me to share this app?
Ganzilla? I've heard of it. I have it. Ganzilla. I'm gonna download it. Mastering Gan simple. Damn, 2 months. Okay, let's open. Let's use some of this.
I made a painting of this on my math test.
Hold on. I can't open it. Why don't let me open? How do you open it?
it's just an app. I don't know.
It's making me open the file. Extract. Open.
It's in the exe file. Exe.
Huh?
It's an exe file. I don't know how to pronounce it, but exe.
EXE. I don't know how to extract it, bro. Hold up. I probably have to move this.
Should be built in.
And you gotta. Hold up. It's moving to my desktop. Motherfucker. It won't. Hold up. Oh my gosh, bro. Alright. Running away. Okay, yeah, I found it. Yeah, it was just not.
Trying to figure out how that works because it looks interesting.
So I kind of already know what kind of how it works. So pentagon, hexagon. So all these all have a different meaning to it. So it kind of already. It inputted. It already did everything for us already. Price.
Oh yeah, there are specific settings for this, but I don't really remember.
Oh, can we zoom out just a tad bit? Okay. So I put time. I put date down in here. So can we get the fucking hexagons out of here? Where we at? Where are we at in price? I mean, does it show us? Do you know where we're at?
You can get the hexagons out at the left side at the settings thing. Scroll down and then let me see. Yeah, you see the figures tab.
Oh my gosh, the planets are in here? Do you know the planets? Yeah, bro, cool. So you know when people say time, they mean planets, right? The stars?
No, but yeah.
So,
no, I do.
Yeah, so whenever the fucking people say in like ICT, they say time and all that, they're looking at time wrong. It's astrological longitude. Planets conjunction. It's really hard to explain, but we get there. So this is a...
ICT is a fraud,
Huh?
man. ICT is a fraud, but...
So, no. Okay. So ICT learned off Larry Williams, and Larry Williams learned off Ellie Wave and Wyckoff, and Wyckoff and Ellie learned off GAN.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just let you... Yeah. Okay, first off, where are we at? Can we figure out where we at? What day is it? It's the 6-3. 6-3. So I'm guessing we have to look at 6-3. You see any sixes around here? Right here. Oh, okay, I found out where we're at. I'm pretty sure we're right here. Huh. Oops. New York. Yeah, use New York longitude. Alright. Can we get... Okay, let's not use time. Date? No. Price and time. Alright. 1 hour, minute, hour. I'm not liking how this is all kind of like... Yeah, let me just put...
Hold up, let me find... Square of 9 size, no. Value 1.
We've... Okay, if you want to learn how to understand GAN, go to YouTube. This is what I've been doing.
Mm-hmm.
I go to YouTube, and I'm reading his book, Tunnel Through the Air. Basically, there's a lot... Look at this is just my my YouTube, what comes up. Hidden market opportunities, expert GAN. Astro Xero for the week might be very important. Alright, so I basically, this is all my shit. High frequency, GAN trading. Turn through the air. And I go here. I don't listen to the audiobook. Don't listen to the audiobook. Understand, this is how I get an understanding how he thinks. Understand how he thinks, and then you'll be able to understand what he's actually telling you in the market, like in his books.
Okay.
Because
Guess I'll do an all-nighter today.
Huh?
Guess I'll do an all-nighter today.
You would do it because you figure out how important his information. I went through the same phase. I was like, oh, okay, I got through the all-nighter all day. Same here. I'm like, by the time I look at my phone, I'm like, holy shit, it's already like 1 a.m. But no.
Yeah, it's almost 1 a.m.
Oh yeah, but yeah, he's very useful. Like the man made 50 million back in the day.
Same.
Hold up, let me just put these two together. 1, 2. So let me circle this one. 1. 2. And about to be the third. This is about to be the third. So we good. Hold up, I don't like that. Hold up, why is it like that? Something's different on this chart, I believe. Is it? Where did it first move down? Oh, we did take out liquidity right there. Or is it right here? You see what I'm looking at? You see the difference? Maybe it's... Oh, okay, that's why. We have this extended move down. And then we trade up higher. So we trade up higher right here. Have a pullback. This is all pullback. Then we trade higher. And then we make, so delete this. And then price goes straight through it. So if you take this, is this actually?
Fuck. Where's my trade?
First mix this top. Okay. Oh, one indication could be this right here. It could be right here. Because price, and then, yep, price then falls. No, that don't make sense. We have, it's such like, it's accurate and not accurate at the same time.
It can be like exactly the same everywhere.
Yeah. That's what, if it did that, then everybody would become millionaires. You know, J.P. Morgan said, millionaires don't use astrology, billionaires do. You know Hitler had an astrologist?
What?
Astrologist.
What's that?
Somebody that like understands the stars.
Oh, Esther. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I might have been saying it a little bit different.
Astrologist.
I don't know how to say it, to be honest.
My English is too fast.
No, me too. So we had this blue. See, also back in the day, what's it called? They used to trade at it used to, like, I'm pretty sure you traded Monday through Saturday. You know that? Yeah, now it's
Saturday.
Yeah, Monday through Saturday. Now it's Sunday through Friday.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's a little odd. Who's my date? 22 days. Wait, fuck. 33 days.
Goofy motherfucker. Is there anything in there?
267? Holy shit. There's no way this is actually accurate. Alright. Boom boom. So we are experiencing the same kind of like price action a little bit of like so we see this one did something like this. And this one did something like I think tomorrow we should sell, bro. Because look,
I hope so.
we're getting the same kind of. See how they kind of hitting the choppiness? The same. Okay, we're hitting chop like supply, 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 supply. Maybe we haven't touched this area, but supply, supply, supply. You know what I mean? It's kind of confusing to look at.
It is interesting though.
Yeah, yeah.
I've never looked at the markets this way.
Me either, to be honest. I just believe we're like, look at this candle is like looks exactly like this. Does it not? Yeah, the down,
Yeah.
very top move, down, like very top. We sell down, make white. This is clear white off, mark down. Make a high, a clear, and then there's a white off and sell down.
Maybe chop tomorrow.
That's what I'm seeing.
So I don't remember where, but we saw that earlier. Chop tomorrow and no, this week chop and next week sell off. I don't know. Somewhere.
You have a reaction off demand right there. Reaction off demand right there. We broke the prices from right here. We didn't. Yeah, price is not exactly the same, but it's clear like inches to one side. Okay, before we leave, we know this is. We see this. We have this correlation. We know we have this correlation right here. Or is that right here? Okay, see, that's what fucking I hate. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So move it up, but it don't move up because we have that. So we don't move it up. So it's possibly this right here. Price has not touched this area, and when price do touch this area, we should sell off. Yeah, it looks like
I can't find it.
It looks like we're right here. But based off price already, I already called this move out already and made money on it basically. This is the 528.
Yeah, I didn't.
Yeah, bro. I actually didn't make money on it. I called it out and lost money, but you know like how like in the last 2 hours we saw the 528 area. Yeah, that's how I called it. That's how I called out this level because we had to move up, a down move, and then high, and then boom. Okay, so we had the down.
I struggle with my emotions. I was up like a lot of money, and I closed the position in good profits, and then overtraded afterwards. Ended up with nothing.
It happens. It's a learning mistake.
Yeah. Psychology sucks.
Hold on, bro. Because I think we might have. If we have this right here, we sell off, do the little up, down, down, up. We value this area, So, different colors, okay. So, up, down, up, down, up. I'm going to delete that. Everything now is going to be proper. So we have the down.
Traders, futures. Please be. Yes, sir.
Up, down, support, reject, support, reject, break lows, come down to this area, find actual demand, last area of demand, before actual, okay, so we're getting Wyckoff.
UT.
Yeah.
Move up.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, let's go to because I've seen Wyckoff happen on like a 45-minute. Nah.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, 45 down a minute. Well, so this is what I saw. Okay, we have the buying climax, AR, ST. Now we're headed down lower to make the sign of weakness.
Sign of weakness. Yeah.
To have the up thrust, and I don't think to have the up thrust. So, wait.
Yeah, up thrust. Secondary test.
Up thrust. Wait. Oh, hold on. I'm lost where we're at right here. I lost where we're at. So I believe we're right here. Okay. So the reason we'll call this a up thrust is because the candles went above this. The candles, not the wick. The candles. You know. So
I would just call that an ST.
A ST? You think that would be a ST?
Yeah, because it didn't break it, right?
I mean, yeah, it didn't, but it did. You know, it's a really hard position. Buying climax, AR, sign of weakness. See, that's what I don't like about that. Okay, then we can get a sign of weakness down here. So SOW, up thrust, and then up thrust, and then a UTAD. So let me put a
Sure.
so we have the bind climax, down move, bind down move. Okay. Bind climax, down move. So AR. So this is the AR. ST. Sign of weakness. Wait a minute. Does this make equal? So you could kind of use this as like, you know how like, so we can get one that goes down below price 3 times before actually going up, or we can get the one that makes equal highs, and then makes the actual. That's what I believe we did. You know, the second semantic, we made equal, you know, I don't know, equal.
Oh yeah.
Equal liquidity.
Without you then.
And then we had the UTAD, or I don't know what that really is, the uptrust, whatever.
No,
So
I'll just call it a uptrust. No UTAD, just uptrust.
Oh yeah. Because so we're expecting to see a big old sell off into this area. So we're looking for price to go lower. We kind of just expecting the price to go lower. We don't know where lower, because for our instance, it says it's going into here. Really, because if you look at it, this was within it. This is within it.
Yeah.
So
I think so.
we can expect price to come down here, and then, dude, that's very broad. You know what I mean? It's too extended down, don't you think?
Maybe there will be another schematic, not just a sign of weakness there, but like another schematic there.
Yeah.
You know, maybe the low is a selling climax. Yeah, it could be a SC. The low.
The reason I'm doing this is because this is the second. This is actually the first high to the second high. So let's do. I'm gonna do that over here too, because this price, first high to the second high. And where does it end? It ends kind of. Okay, hold up. Okay.
Nah.
Wait a minute. Second high. So we ends off right here. Ends off right here. So box 1. Box.
Yeah.
1. Doesn't that kind of like look? Yeah, I mean it looks very accurate.
Little bit above retracement.
Yeah, so we're experiencing this choppiness in this area, but price is just above it right now. So this is all just shifted up like 2 points higher. You know what I mean? Like, so if we take this semantic and just place it right here instead. So okay, so we get the sign of weakness. So hold on, let's make our other box, because I really want to make that other box. So the other box will be right here. So the other box will be right here.
Also, the challenge with Geo in what's it called, Rise.
Yeah.
It's pretty difficult as a Wyckoff trader, right? Because
I
don't use limits at all.
I trade the 1 second time frame. So everything I see,
Exactly.
I have to boom, 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 like shift from everything and be able to. Like, I'm like, bro, like I cannot do that. Like,
I trade market or orders only.
Yeah, like
fuck limits.
But this is clear price action going up. So like if we took our extended line, let's take our extended. See how, look at that. 66% again. See the correlation? 66 is just a good like area. Oh my gosh, I can't believe the game found that out. Okay, so and then our second would be this.
Bro's in love with Gen.
Huh?
Bro's in love with Gen.
Bro, if he makes me a millionaire, I'm gonna be on his knees.
If only he would be alive.
I know, right?
Killing the markets, man.
Bro, if he was alive, bro, I would want to meet him so bad. That would be my like celebrity.
Yeah, bro.
Like, holy cow. Alright, so one. Alright. I don't like. Okay, so, anyways, we don't have to use this areas of boxes, but, you know, they're just confluence. Secondary test. Hard sell. So I was wrong about the date. Because I was like, oh, we're about to sell off because it's October 1st. Blah, blah, blah. October 1st.
Yeah.
Sold off. Well. Okay, so we're right here. We're right here. So let me put a purple line just. We're expecting price to go down. Express price to go down. So let's also get the current rate of trend. So this to this was 4 days. 4 days for 297 for $5. Holy cow! That's only $5 move. That looks like a lot more than $5 move. So we get the high and the first day low. So this high to the first day low. Bro, is that 1 day?
Not even. Yeah, within a day.
So within the day, we're expected to fall. How many points? Wait, no. This is the actual move. To this. Oh my gosh, it is 1 day. 33 to. So $9 drop. So next time we experience this, should have a $9 drop. We get 320. 320. Okay. We have a $9 drop again, but this lasted for 3 days. Huh. That's why I was expecting a $9 drop. So a $9 drop should happen to two. It'll be 18 level. So if we have another $9 drop, it should go down to 19.
19.
On the 5th. 19 on the 5th. 19 on the 5th. 19.
Position change that.
Wait, okay. Can we get the same? Do we get the? Does this happen in a day? Yo, wait a minute. This is a top on a Thursday? I'm pretty sure this is a top on a Thursday.
Thursday, yeah.
23rd? This is the 19th. Thursday, 23rd? So 4 days. It's a 4 day advance. So the next top would be the 24th. So it should be on the 28th. And the 28th!
Yes. Damn.
Hold on. So the next time is the 25th, so it's 29th.
Don't be.
Is it not?
Yeah.
No. What? Oh, hold on. Let's look back. So the 20. Oh, it's this price action. Yeah, we're right. 29th. So the next move down. The next move down after move is 25th, so the 29th. Next actual move down is the.
No.
Oh, we got 1 day. 1 day wrong. 1 day wrong. Okay, the top of this was
crazy accurate, man.
28. So yeah. So the actual day should be the 4th. The 5th. The 5th should be the day we sell at. Right?
5th.
hold up. So we get this move happened. The low happened on the 31st. Low happened on the 29th. I wonder if this. Hold on. Does September go in the same amount of days? September. Let me look at September. September goes on in 30 days, and does what month are we in?
June. June.
And
Yes.
May goes to 31 days. May goes to 31 days, and September goes to 30 days. That's why we had the one day.
Ah.
Because
No,
that's why you use
You're wrong. You're wrong.
Huh?
September has 30 days. June has 30 days.
Does it really?
Huh?
Mine shows maybe it's
No, September and June do not have the same number of days, but then it shows September has 30 days, June has 30 days.
No. We're looking at Look, we're looking at May. We're looking at May. We're not in June yet. May.
Huh?
So we look at September 19th. You add 4 days. It'd be Fuck. It'd be.
Am I time traveling?
Huh?
How am I in June?
We're not in June yet.
Oh, yeah.
When May, the price. So this price happens in May. So right here we're in May.
Yeah, okay.
So May above that. So we get the top at 24. The 24th. So 28 would be the top. 28 is the top. So the next top should be the 25th.
26?
Huh?
What, 20?
No,
No.
it's 29. So the 29. But the 30, we get a 30.
Oh, 4. Yeah. Okay, one day.
Yeah, one day. And then the next top should be in the 27th. So adding 4 days to that would be like the first. So that would be the second. That would be the second. Well, it's the third for us. Dang.
Oh, so we have 2 days in a row now, 1 day in advance. Okay.
Because the date change of that. And then the next would be 3 or 4 days, I'm guessing. So it would be the 5th. It would be the 5th to sell. Alright.
September and June do have the same amount of days, but I don't know if it makes any difference. I don't know.
What? No. When we hit June, we hit September. We hit October. We look at October now. We're in October when we hit June. So, hold up. So the dates are like. This is October. This is the beginning of October, and this is the beginning of June. So
Yeah.
we're how many days behind? 3. Two or 3. So if we go. We're in Thursday. Oh my gosh, bro! We figured out the sauce.
Yo, let's go, man.
Update on recent posts. I'm off by 1 or 2 days. Calendar date was a little bit lagged in such as months didn't have exact amount of days compared to recent posts. So date and time was off by 2 or 1 day, right? Not 3 days. Next time we are gonna make a SOW, then build our way back up, up slowly but surely,
creating a
creating
UT.
a UT. We have the UT. Wait, we have the UT.
Then drop it back down, drop a little bit, and then use that, and then fall, I guess.
Yeah. UT.
You state clearly that the SOW is gonna be like big.
Yes, you're right. Our SOW to current date will fall exponential. The UT. Wait, buying climax, error, UT. Okay, a UT will be the last up move. Will be the last up move before falling hard. I mean, wake up in the morning type of crap. Look at my next post to look at current price correlation. Okay. Price correlation. Then we have the sign weakness, UT.
Might just full port this. I don't know. Tomorrow.
UT. And then we drop. And then we make drop. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we were so
No, use that?
Huh?
No, use that? Or?
No. We make, this is a look. AR secondary, buying climax,
Okay.
sign of weakness.
I thought you called the STAUT.
Are you?
Like the thing you called an ST, I thought you called that a UT, but
Well, AR second, so we had the buying climax right here.
yeah, you said if the body goes above the
Did we?
not the wick, it'd be UT, but yeah.
Alright, Alright. Share to your friends and don't full port.
I will full port.
Good luck, my sworn kittens. You get it?
No. Am I dumb?
The GameStop guy?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Roaring kitty.
Short. Yeah. Oh, I said sworn. I didn't say bro, I said sworn.
No, it's fine.
Yeah. Look at recent posts. Part 2. We in the not much to say. I posted about it earlier. Just take notice of it. See, I love how there's a GAN section. Out of all these, why is it just GAN? You know what I mean?
That's cool.
Yeah.
From
Sure.
ICT.
Yeah. Bro, I've been getting a crazy amount of views. Look at this.
On trick. Where?
107, 104, 37, 40, 174, 56.
They're realizing, bro.
Yeah, they realized. Holy shit! 400?
Yeah.
Bro, see, look at this. So May 15th, I was like, bro. Like, so this is, like I said, the SPY, I didn't expect us to have an exponential growth, but look at that. So look at the structure. So we make a low, we touch these lows, and then skyrocket, and that's what we did. Touch the lows, skyrocket, and boom.
Down.
Boom.
Down. No.
Yeah.
What are the comments, by?
Huh?
No comments. Or, what are the comments saying?
I'm pretty sure just me. It was just me. Invalid, waiting for rejection, have a similar idea and realizing that you probably float, burn premiums. Yeah, I had it, yeah. The same thing. Comment, I think it's me. Legit, everyone was posting about this, but it doesn't have it, what cycle we are in. Oh, this is Bitcoin.
Yeah, I've seen this one.
You like this one? I like it a lot.
I like it.
Yeah, same. And then this is, you seen this one too?
No.
4-year cycle. We're in the 4-year cycle. And so basically, this part is this. And we make, so 4 years.
Oh, yeah, the fall.
Yeah, 4-year cycle. Went right here.
Low, top.
So right here, the people who've been buying right here, sell right here. Not all the positions, but some of them to add more positions here.
Or exit because of fear.
Yeah. And then this one, this one, same thing. We're in a UT. That's why I'm expecting us to go down here.
Let's go, man.
And then this one, basically, I was expecting this right here. And blue. And then
What should I do an all-nighter tonight? Let me see. What type of lessons do I have? English. Oh fuck! I have 2 tests tomorrow.
You have 2 tests?
Yeah. Fuck.
Alright.
I just realized.
You wanna hop off call?
Nah. I'm not even gonna learn. Fuck that.
Alright. Yeah.
Shit's better.
Yeah. But planetary cycles, so time and all that. Let's go. I'm gonna see close. Shape changes. Okay, let's go in the Discord. I'm gonna go in the Discord and let's review some information. Okay. GAN. Okay, so this is basically one of the things he wrote. But after 52 years of experience researching, going back hundreds of years, I have proved to. You need me to zoom in?
I'm zooming.
Alright.
Oh yeah, that's bad.
That we know the past. Okay. History repeats itself. That when we know the past, we can determine the future of prices. I have put time cycles to the test in my personal trading. I have issued a narrow forecast on stocks, commodities, and for 50 years, which have proved accurate. He had a 92% run rate. Time cycles repeat.
Yeah, I read that.
Yeah, that's crazy. Time cycles. Oh, also they didn't believe him. So when he was trading, people would follow him around everywhere, because people got hired to follow him around because they thought he was.
They wanted the sauce.
Well, yeah, and they didn't believe him.
Shit.
Yeah, time cycles repeat because human nature does not change, and we see that because of greed and fear. Greed and fear are the biggest 2 emotions. That is why wars occur at regular cycles. Old men do not want wars. Neither do they want to go into war after they have been through one. Young men fight through the wars because they read history and want to be heroes. So it's just a cycle right there. That's a cycle. He just explained the cycle.
Yeah.
Leaders of nations appear to the young men who have no experience and introduce them to fight. The same desire in men that urges them to risk their lives in war because them take a chance in the business and speculation. They take too many chances and too optimistic. After a long period of success in business and after prolonged advances in stocks and commodities, old men in business after a prolonged period of prosperity to hopeful and get overextended, it is too easy to borrow after a long period of business prosperity. People who borrow money on hope have to liquidate when fear overtakes them, and conditions are the worst. That is why cycles in business and stock commodity markets have always repeated and always will. Nature's laws are always unchangeable, and no man or set of men can change them. The new dealers have not proved that they can stop inflation. They claim they can prevent depression. Okay, this sounds like today. They claim they can prevent depression and panics, but no one has succeeded in doing it. In the past, they have 3 years to prove that our government leaders cannot stop. Oh my god! And by raced and spinning, the new dealers have thrown to the wind. And
so how much does this book cost?
I find all this is for free. You go to Z Library, and it should
Z Library.
Yeah, and you give it for free. During the past 20 years, they have spent and wasted all the wealth that our country has accumulated during the past 175 years. A federal state provides debts that are the largest in history, and these conditions make the next few years the most critical in our history. The man who knows the time cycles can predict the future, protect his capital and make money, rather others who guess who will lose. This is the time of opportunity to start studying mathematics, scientific rules, making accurate decisions, determining the trends of stocks, and all that.
This man was not doing something else, man. Fuck.
Well, he was a Freemason.
A what?
He was a Mason.
What's that?
Switch it up. So, you know Rothschilds and all that? Freemasons. Switch up.
Skilled worker who builds by laying units in substantial
No.
material.
No. Switch up. Oh, right there, yeah. Freemason. Who belongs to the Freemason.
Oh, shit.
It's basically religious.
A beautiful system of morality veiled in allegory and illustrated by symbols.
So,
oh, God. Yeah.
Switch up the Palgrium Theum. So, Palgrium Theum guy, you know him?
No.
Switch up like the guy who made A plus B equals C.
Oh.
Progress, yeah, right there. Theum. No, just put his name in, yeah. Yeah, switch it up. Go to images. Go to that very right, top right. Second one. Top, yeah, right there. Click it. What do you see right there? By the down, up a little bit. See that? That's a Freemason. He's a Mason. So this picture has a lot of hidden secrets into it. The secret of life is in this picture. You don't see it, but everything's in here is a secret of life. Albert Einstein, Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla was friends with Gann, by the way.
Oh shit.
Yeah, and
yeah, it's nice. The 3, 6.
Yeah. You would see a lot of 369 with Gann and all this. He kind of looks like.
What thing about?
So it's called it depends. Okay, just go on Google and search up articles Gann published during his time / novels. Yeah, right there. Probably that top one. Holy crap. Scroll down.
What's this again? I don't know.
I don't know either. Okay, probably get out of this actually. I mean, that's kind of weird. Let's start. Look, equivalent to 569 million.
No, bro.
Homie made a trillion.
Arthur is gonna theory.
Bro, you would love. You're gonna love his Trying to Through the Air book. You know he was like one. Oh my gosh, yeah, that's actually a good place. He was like, the Bible told him that planes were gonna get invented, so he made a plane himself.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Hard cover. I like hard covers.
Yes. So this would definitely be a book to you're gonna like if you're trying to read it in person.
Jesus, man.
No, there's no way it's that much. I got mine for like $20. Yeah.
4,000.
Yeah.
eBay, Amazon.
I'll try to just find the cheapest book out there.
I'm thinking this one. Oh, it is. WD Kent.
Yeah.
Is it like 230
Let me look.
pages?
Let me look. Hold up. Yeah, 228.
Yeah, okay.
But so this book is definitely something you need in person because you're gonna need to do a lot of writing and all this.
I'm just gonna order it right now.
Yeah. You're gonna fall in love, bro. Like, I haven't finished reading it, but like the first 90 pages is amazing.
I'll do it in a bit.
Okay, then let's go to. Is there a spider on me? No. Okay, this is where. Okay. Let there be lights in the firmament of heaven.
Let there be lights.
To divide the day from the night, so sunlight and moonlight, and let them be signs, aka zodiacs, and seasons, and for days and years, aka cycles. God made two great lights, the sunlight and the least light, moonlight. He made the stars also, and to rule over the day and over the night, he divided the light from the darkness. And God saw it was good. So this right here, if you I believe if you take the halving of the sunrise to sunset. There's a very important, like the median of it is very important, and you see that in the market a lot. Law of vibration. Hold on. So when people pray, they believe, hey, let me blah 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 say amen, and boom, it's it's sent to heaven. It's like an email, correct? No. God responds to emotional patterns and thought patterns. So, in all religions, God conscious awoke. One day I am, or like to just put it, I think therefore I am. Once God conscious was awake and everything made was created within the mind of God. A.K.A. we're God, by the way. We have God's hands. We are all God. So when we say I am, we are a form of God. In other words, we are a figment of God's imagination, the matrix. A.K.A. know the lights, you will figure that out based off gains. Being made in such a thought form consciousness, man has free will to be a co-creator using God's consciousness. So basically you're able to create things. You're able to form things using your mind of God. The various thought consciousness man has free will to be the various thought forms we make have different vibrations. So like music, sex and drugs and all that is the lowest vibration. The lowest material manifestations are supposed to emotional ones like love, which is God. God is love is one of the highest vibrations, and the highest vibration. Most of us in the stock market vibrate to the lower ones: sex, booze, chocolate, because the stock market is greed, and the money is unrealistic form of something. So it's lower chakras has money motivation. So this is the lowest chakras. This is entirely allowed within man's free will. Man's petro thinking in certain patterns starify his individual conscious. So like what you think, your brain. Alright? Like if you want money, you gotta work towards money, and your brain money. In creativity in general,
Mm-hmm.
these states of consciousness are represented by the 12 signs of the zodiac. The sun is God. That's the third sign. The 12 signs of Israel, the 12 generations of Christ, we are evolved in our consciousness from its primary state upwards through the 12 states until we are finally reaching the God consciousness. I am my Father are one. I and my Father are one. When we realize that we are not separate entities but living a part of God, we recognize our neighbors as ourselves. This accounts for all different among men who have developed alongs of consciousness patterns over the lifetimes. Yes, the Bible is recognitional and is based on a creation of period of 6 days, which is 6,000 years. While everything has been created once already, man has nevertheless evolved his visual consciousness through his creation period, walking through the fires of hell. I don't know what that means actually. But believe be not ignorant of this one thing, that one day is the Lord as the 1,000 years, and 1,000 years as one day. This is why Adam died on the very day he ate the apple, even though we're told he lived 130 years less than a day.
Do you believe in God?
I believe in this. I believe I am God. I believe what I believe will come around. The universe consciousness or Christ consciousness is reflecting and regulating. What is that?
Self-regulating.
Yeah, you always get what you are. The law of attraction. So basically, the law of vibrations, with the thought patterns you are, you bring a law of attraction in. This is why the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. Drugs addicts get worse. The thieves are worse thieves and after prison. Your consciousness vibrates to what you are and attracts the same vibration. This is why Gan chanted daily expression before trading. Oh damn! Did you know that?
What's chanted?
Chanted. Let me switch it up. I'm pretty sure it's like when you when you say something multiple times. So words.
I am getting rich. I am gonna.
Yes.
I am gonna be rich.
Yes. Words of affirmation. Like yes, you're exactly what I'm saying. Yes, I am. I feel. I sense. Blah blah blah. This is like if you are afraid to lose your money and worry about getting stopped out all the time, you will lose your money, as the consciousness is that of a loser. Focus on the success and visualize it is before you make the trade.
That's what happened today with me.
Yeah, boy, you made it. Yeah. For the kingdom of heaven is a man traveling. A kingdom of heaven is traveling to. For the kingdom of heaven is as a man traveling to a far country, who called his own servants and delivered unto them his goods. And unto one he gave 5 talents, to another 2, and to another 1, to every man accordingly to his severe ability. And straightway took his journey. Then he that had received the 5 talents went and traded with the same, and made them another 5 talents. And likewise he had received 2. He gained 2. But he had received 1 and digged in the earth and his Lord's money. I don't know what this means, to be honest. After a long time, the Lord of servants cometh and reckoneth with him. And so he had received 5 talents and... So he received 5 talents and came and brought other 5 talents, saying to the Lord, through divided this into the 5 talents. Behold, I have gained besides the 5 talents more. I don't really know what that means. His Lord said unto him, Well done, although good and faithful of the Lord. He also received 2 talents and said, Lord, thou gavest unto me 2 talents, Lord, 2 talents. Behold, I gained 2 other talents beside them. Well done, good and faithful servant, though it has been faithful over the few things. I will make thee ruler over the many things. Into the they which had received 1 talent and came. I knew they were art of hard man, weeping through the last hour, going with the last. Okay, I'm confused what this is trying to say, and I was afraid and went and hid the talent in the earth. There was last thine. His Lord answered said unto him.
Yeah, that's the old Bible. What's it called?
Translation
language. It's very very hard to understand.
Thou ought this therefore to have put my money to exchangers, and that at my coming I should have received mine, and take therefore talent from them and give him. And cast ye unprofitable wisdom into our darkness, there shall be weeping and gnashing of teeth. Being successful starts with a self-identification as being as successful. Applies to everything in the like bitches like birds of a father flock together. What are we? What are you? What do you think Trump was Why do you think Trump was elected? That's weird. That's at the very bottom of that.
Yeah, I don't understand.
Okay, this is one of the things we're gonna get into. The 9 times these planets were in favorable. So like, okay, let's keep reading. I'm gonna get in favorable aspects decide gains in business. So two planets together in conjunct, and activity was registered 7 times and Maya gains in 2 times.
Since 1896, Uranus and Jupiter.
Okay, so this is just saying the conjunction with each other were pretty accurate and all that.
Yeah, my English is pretty bad. Like, it's very hard to understand all this. But
Assign position. Okay, so right here, relationships by aspect and assign positions of Jupiter.
Relationships by aspect and sign positions of Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus, plus the Sun spot cycle is the framework upon which to project the primary trends of business and market.
Additionally, details are brought out in the companion brochure, Major Trend. So you would want to read this.
Oh, and that's what we looked at, right?
Yeah, something to look at as major trends in American economics is on like a novel. So rule 1, favorable aspects between the planets of demand to be 60 and 100 degrees. So sunrise, midheaven. Unfavorable is 45, 90, 135, and sunset. And this is blah blah blah. And then
So that's like times to not trade, or?
Yes. So like I said, the time equals astrological longitude, and this is what he's trying to tell you: the longitude of these planets.
Okay.
And then this is in here. And then distribution. Then we read that. 400 years of USA versus Gemini and Gemini, when Uranus and Gemini. So basically, when planets collide and all that. And these are the last times.
Years of USA was. This is how I predicted this shit.
Yeah.
So, 2026, 2028.
I don't know because this is one of his ways to actually look at price and all that. This is, you might want to click on this and read that. On your own time.
You trade like this or no?
I'm learning. I'm new.
Okay.
So this is.
You're not so new.
So this is the 45. This is 66, and this is 66. 26.
Okay. Wait, 26?
Yeah, 22. I don't know. I don't like somewhere in there. Gann angle is a diagonal that moves at a uniform rate of speed. So the rate of speed. A trend line is created by connecting bottoms to bottoms in the case of a uptrend, and tops to tops in the case of a downtrend. The benefit of drawing a Gann's angle compared to the trend line is the moves at uniform rate of speed. I don't understand the rate of speed, but the change of speed compared to velocity. This allows an analysis to forecast where price is going to be on a particular date in the future. This is not saying that Gann angle will always predict where the market will be, but the analysis where the Gann angle will be, which will help blah blah. You basically get the gist. I am the only scientific expert on Carton, so he's very big on math as scientific. He was known for the guy who keeps your loss limited to 1 point and shows you how to get 5 to 20 points. 1 tick, 1 point. So that's pretty profitable. Your money refunded is not satisfied. Give me a trial this week. $3, 1 month, 18. 3 is because of power, 18 is because of number of power. So 9, if you add these two, 9, this is 3. Rush represents get cream of a big move. I don't know what the heck rush this means, get a cream of a big move. Look. 45%, 30% patterns and time, limited. And then, this is where look, you might want to read this. The range that an option makes between extreme high and extreme low can be squared so long as it remains in the same price range. If the price range is 25 points, it squares with 25 periods of time, days, weeks, and continues this period and longer the same in range. I have to explain that a little bit more to you.
So the amount of points is equals the amount of time, or
no. So the range is 25 points. So that if you scroll 25 times 25, it would probably be 500. So 500 days. What's 500? It could be 500 minutes. That's half a day. Weeks.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I think this would probably be in the time. This would probably be in days. 25 periods of time is 500, and 1,440 is 60 minutes in a day. Square time with the bottom or extreme low price. The next important price to square with this time is the lowest price or the important decline. For example, if the bottom of an option is 75, then the end of 75 days, 75 weeks, or 75 months, time and price are equal. Time is astrological longitude, so the planets. So he would he was very big on geometry. So let me load it.
Time equals price.
Yeah. So hold up. So like right here.
I hear it all the time.
So but people don't know how to use it. So right here would have been on planets like colliding. And the next time price it would come up here, it would tell us that the angle is 13 degrees, and the next time when price hits it, this will be our actual. So this is the intersection, and this is when you actually stop trading price. I don't know how to explain it, but I'll get to the video for you. But so these are so like he said, during a bearish market, you get the top to the top. This is the two top. If we probably went back in the day, we probably can do this someday, and use the Ganzilla and use the planets. These probably would collide, and this would be an X. This is an X. So you will use this diagram right here to sell, because these lines are intersected and all that, and it would form something. Oh, right here, like, so you would take this, and it would be like, I don't know. It would be something like that, and it gives you a really accurate thing. And then watch for the changes based on the bottom lowest selling price. As long as the option continues one whole bottom and advances, you can always use this time period running across the continuing the time period. Noting every time is passes out of the square, which watch especially when the option reaches the third square, the fourth square, and again the seventh and ninth squares. The time period. These squares will only occur frequently on the daily, weekly, and monthly. In most cases, would move out of the range, up or down. Before it squared a bottom as a 7 or 8 times. However, this does not sometimes happen when option is a narrow range for many years. Both major. The other important part to square time is the extreme high of an option. The time period must be carried across the high of the daily, weekly, and monthly, and the square of the top price in the time. But must be noted. And watch for the changing trend. If the top of the option is 50, then watch moved over the 50 days or 50 months. If it has reached its square in the time, it is important changes indicated. This could be determined by the position of the angles from tops and bottoms. See examples on the chart. Both major and minor tops and bottoms of all time must be watched as they square out the right along. Most important of the extreme point of the monthly and low chart. This may be the very Paid up is credits to divide price into 8 equal time periods. That's where the GAN fan comes in. And what's the most important times? 1, 4, 3, blah, blah, but most important of them, time equals price. And time is the hardest to, if you can understand time and figure out the time, that's what I'm trying to figure out. I have not worked on it yet, but if you can work on it, if you're...
I hear all these ICT traders saying, time is price, but
they don't know what time is.
All they use is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. That's all they use, and then every number they use that as a macro time. Like, it can't be just that. There has to be more to it.
So basically, yeah, like GAN, Wyckoff helps you understand like the down move and the up move and the sideways action. We understand what's price going through that. Like GAN was able to figure out the exact. So he understood all this because this concept comes from Wyckoff and Wyckoff comes from GAN. So GAN was able to do this all this by hand, but was able to not predict, but time the market perfectly to get the exact move up by using time, and time is astrological longitude, and that's what I'm trying to. GAN held the time is the most important.
Yeah, again, time.
Time is the fact that determines the length of commodity price trend. When the time indicates that trend, prices should react. Prices should stabilize for a short period. So stabilizes GAN for a short period of time, and fluctuate with a tight range. So Wyckoff by virtue react by reversing direction. Wyckoff again. Time is the element that determines when prices should react. Time. So that's what we need to focus on. Probably look at this video. Have you went through this?
No.
Okay, so this is basically like GAN's time cycles. Basically, it's blueprint. Every movement in the market is a result of a natural law and causes of which exists long before the effect takes place and can be determined use advance. So basically, the future is but a repetition of the past. The Bible plainly states the thing that has been and shall be, and that which is done shall be done. And there's no things under the sun. So that's currently what we're doing with 2019's price action. Everything has a major and minor. In order to accurately forecast the future, you must know the major cycle, as most money is made when extreme fluctuations occur. So kind of when the market gets very volatile, basically when greed and fears in the market a lot. Never outlook the great cycles, which mark extreme high and low prices which occur a long period of time. 80 to 84 years. This is one of the great cycles in cotton, running out of 42. High point drive. Hold on, 81st. I'm gonna add 46 to 82. 46 to 82.
46, 82.
That should be. Oh my gosh.
108.
Bro, go on your calculator. 1964 plus 82. That should be in 2024. So basically, when the actual crash happens, the major crash, like a crash we've probably never seen there. Like, yeah. Trend line for 7 years following extreme high prices indicate a trend.
Yeah, man. Life is psychological. Everything.
Yes. If you didn't know, we lose 4 minutes of time every day. So every day is 4 minutes faster. This is 3 times the 30-year cycle, 2 times the 45-year cycle, and the points to watch for extremes. 1945 would be the 9 years from 19. So I'm gonna do math. 1954 plus 90 is 2. So this is another 2040 cycle. You can also check events, stream lows, and see how they're. The circle. Ha! It's fun. It's funny that he uses. Oh, I have mine. The circle equals 360 degrees, and the main cotton cycle is 360 months or 30 years. You should use this cycle of 30 years in proportion parts of the 60-year cycle is twice the. Huh. So explain the cycles more. Every 49 to 50 years, a period of Jubilee years. So that guy I showed you, the cycle guy, he references the Jubilee years of extreme high of low prices, lasting from 5 to 7 years, currently the end of the 50-year cycle. 7 is a fatal number referred to many times in the Bible, which brings about contraction, depression, and panics. Hold on, we might be in the 50-year cycle, to be honest. I'm just saying.
Yeah, I'm not too experienced for that. I wanna know.
Which is the 30-year cycle, which is the main cycle, and it started above. The minor cycle is a promotion of the 39 cycle. The next important cycle is 20 year, which is the 2/3 of the year, and then this shows you the importance of 30 years. Kind of just age.
I'm not gonna trade right now, but look at the 1 minute on NQ. There's a nice schematic for me.
I gotta delete all my old stuff. Go to 2K25. Okay. Anyway, so we're looking to sell.
It's your NQ.
Oh yeah, good luck. We're looking to sell.
Yeah. 1 minute.
Holy crap!
There's a bullish schematic.
Yeah, bro, this is looking really good. 30 minute.
Yo, we gonna catch it up right now?
Can we? That's
I have week.
So this was all. Oh my god. We might actually catch the top of this. PSY buying climax, automatic rally, secondary test.
Yeah, exactly. Form a UT inside, in the thing. Now make a sign of weakness, I believe.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stay off for this, because I don't want to miss it.
Okay, let me just answer some of my DMs. Yes, you want his webinar? I can send you one of his. Yes, please. Yes, please. I don't got like up to webinar. Hold on, I gotta look at my thing real quick. Webinar.
You're good.
Wow, I only got webinar 17.
You should make like a mentorship.
I don't think I can yet. I don't think I've.
Yeah, you can, bro.
No, I don't have enough information. I have Wyckoff, and I just have Wyckoff currently.
With what you know right now, people would pay for this shit. They're lazy, right?
I know, people. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, there are actually people who pay like $50 a month for this shit.
Oh, well, we have reaction off this. Down.
Yeah, urge that high.
Is it 6 o'clock? It is a new trading day, so we're able to trade this.
I'm just gonna full board a $30 account. Because why not?
Why not?
Why not?
And one thing I don't like about fucking what session is this? Sydney's? Is it Sydney session?
It is Asia, right? No.
I don't
No,
know.
I don't know. I think it's Asia right now.
Yeah, you're right. Asia. I don't know why I said Sydney, but Asia session. Wait, is it? No, Asian session starts at 8 o'clock. Does it not?
I have no clue.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it starts at 8. Yeah.
Okay. I've been trying to implement order flow or TPO in my trades, and it's working pretty well.
You know, yeah.
I deleted all my shit though.
Let's go to the one.
Oh, what the?
So if the market's bullish, and we just made if we're breaking down, so saying if the market is bullish, we are we're looking at this area, but we understand the market is not bullish, and we're about to sell off majorly to the bottom side.
I hope so. Really hope so.
Well, it doesn't give a. There's no.
Move.
It doesn't really show us any move why we should go up anymore. You know, the only move we should go up is if we're gonna go down.
Wait, why am I sharing Spotify?
Bro, search up Nintendo
Do you
Beats.
know of CFD.gov?
Huh?
This shit?
CTGov? CPI and shit?
No, like, I don't know, some data or some shit. You
Yeah.
can see put to call ratio and all that.
Oh yeah. I actually have seen that. I was actually gonna.
It's pretty good.
Let me know if you can hear my screen or not. I don't know if you can hear it, but Nintendo.
I'll just search that.
Who values an Ivy Tech degree? Well, over 20 Indiana colleges for starters. As partners.
Yeah.
That's weird because I have headphones in, but my mic's outward. Nah, that's not a good one. I like this one. This one's fire.
Mamma mia, I got it! It's me, Mario!
The Perfect Storm, I've been watching him recently. Perfect Storm, I've been watching him. He's pretty good. Just keep on down. HW Steel is pretty good too. Just go back. And you should pop up on it when you just yeah, right there. That dude's pretty fire. His voice is amazing too. Like, listening, some of these people have really bad voices, and his voice is pretty good. Like me, I cannot make a game video like that because me reading is horrible. I can't.
There are a lot of GAN teachers. Speaking of.
Bro, a lot of Indian GAN teachers too.
Yeah. A lot of Indians.
Yeah, bro, it's crazy. Bro, did you hear about like E-Trade? So E-Trade. Yes, yeah, bro. His accent's too strong. Did you hear about Did you hear about them banning fucking growing Kitten, the GameStop guy, from his own brokerage, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah, like
So what?
brokerage.
Brokerage.
Yeah, his own brokerage. No, like the one he uses. Yeah, they're like banning him. He can't trade on it now, basically.
Oh shit.
They thinking he's like manipulating this GameStop.
Oh, manipulating. Yeah.
Bro, his fucking he just made like 82 million. He made 82 million today, even though the GameStop went up 25%. what did Elon say? What does Elon say? He said 2x1? He said, oh. 2 x's. That's weird. Oh my gosh. Bro, did you see what I called out? I called out GameStop though. Did you see that? Yeah. Look. Let me go to it. No, let me type it in. GameStop. Look. Look at my screen. Bro, when you were able to, like, bro, yeah, take a look at it. Yeah, take a look at it. Tell me what you think about it. May 9th. Yeah. You passed it. No, forward. May. So the next day you could buy it up was, I posted it on after hours Thursday, so the next day would be Friday.
$35.
Yeah.
Worked all it out.
No, yeah, after the Monday, bro, the cheapest you can sell it at is $1,500. The cheapest you can buy it was $1,500.
Trade stocks in the Netherlands. I don't know why.
This is the sound of your ride home with Dad after he caught you vaping.
Except what?
Like zero.
Awkward, isn't it?
Brokers.
Most vapes contain seriously addictive levels of nicotine and disappointment.
Dutch lines?
Know the real cost of vapes. Brought to you by the FDA.
They don't accept it.
Oh, that's weird.
People or revenue.
The music just turns me on.
Dude, that's fine.
Sign up. It's got percentage.
Money Glitch community, that's Fred. No, it said Money Glitch community.
It's fake. Yeah.
Yeah. Adding the first 300, I'm like, oh my gosh.
They never added me. Starship is ready to fly. Now I'm pretty broke right now. Gotta wait till I get some money.
Hey man, that's why we're here.
Oh no, I gotta attract the Gats mindset.
Yeah, for real, man, you gotta do that. Actually, I've been doing it every day. Words of, like, what's it called? Affirmations.
I will have money. US money. I can't find it. I don't know where it is.
Yeah, data, and then
Is it this one?
market data. Did you go to market data? Net positions. View. You gotta view it. View. Oh no. Oh, that's viewing watch people play.
Yeah, you can see all the
Congress. Hit advanced search. Let's see what it says. Name, organization, date. Put in recent dates. Put in this Monday. Right? Let's see if anybody took big positions today. Search. Have to set search. Oh, that's here. Scroll down. Oh my god. Okay, maybe do like 2 days back, like last week. So like the 27th or some shit. I don't know.
It was somewhere, yeah.
Summer's here, and with a new Toyota, you can make the most out of summer with all your friends. Most of my friends happen to be four-legged.
Your summer starts here, but it all ends June 3rd. Toyota, let's go places. Dealer inventory may vary. See your participating Toyota dealer for details.
Shopify helps you sell at every stage of your business. Sell it online, take it in person, and go big, like 1 million orders big. Whatever your stage, businesses that grow with Shopify. Sign up today at shopify.com/YouTube audio.
What do I call the AR? This or this?
That one. No. No. What took out liquidity to go higher?
This?
So, yes. You know why? Because we have clear demand, supply kind of in the market. So in the buying climax, here's the buying climax. Yeah, here's when it does that. The reason we can mark this is because it took out all liquidity. It took out all supply. But yeah, but we do yeah.
I'm not too familiar with supply.
That's why look at volume. Look at the volume. Put volume in. I don't know. No. Volume right the end. Net volume maybe? Nah. Yeah. So the reason huge, so if you gotta zoom in just to like Asian session. Yeah, okay. You gotta like so you can tell the volume climax is when buyers usually started stepping in and then usually started stepping out. So at let me put it in. At 8:14 418 or 421, we saw that huge buyers came into the market, and then they started stepping out around 424. And that was an indication that this was the buying climax. You gotta like zoom in, like you can't, like just you gotta zoom in, like move the bottom horizontal line to see. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, move that. Yeah, keep moving it. Keep moving it. Yeah, there you go. Oh, two. Yep. Almost there. Just yeah, right there. So we had huge buyers coming in. We understood huge buyers coming in. Sellers are stepping down. For some reason, buyers left the market. Sellers kept coming in, but we understood that, hey, why did the price move down? Well, we had no interest in volume. We had no interest in buyers, we had no interest in buyers. That's why the sellers were able to move the market down easily, fast.
Yeah, that's how it works.
Yeah.
I can't miss it, man. I'm tired as fuck. This is an SD.
I still haven't mastered the supply and demand yet, like the